Everyone, today's lesson is lesson 1, counting on our back. When you learn how to count on our back in tens, hundreds, thousands, and beyond, that helps you understand which digits change and when. And it also helps you to become faster at adding and subtracting numbers in your head. Are you fast at adding and subtracting numbers in your head? That's because you can count on and back really quick. So today's lesson is showing us how to add tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s really fast. So each time when we add tens, we are making everything fixed, the units fixed, and we are adding tens. But after the tens become 9, in the next count, the hundreds change. And after the hundreds become like 990, the next count in tens, it makes 1 plus 100, and that makes it 1,000 more. So the thousands change. And so on. So today's lesson is showing you how we add tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s to make numbers go on and on in a sequence. Look at this example. We have 268. Now we want to add, look at the next number. We have 278. So what's changed here? Which digit has been changed? Is it the ones? No. Is it the tens? Yes. It's not the hundreds, it's the tens. So here we are adding 110 each time. I'm writing that example here. So 268, 278. After that, add 10, 288, 298. Add 10 to the 90, that equals 100. So 100, so we add 1 to the 2, that equals 308. 308. Now add 10, it's 318. 328. So this is a sequence, and a sequence is a number of a group of numbers, or numbers that are next to each other, and they are adding up or becoming larger or smaller according to a fixed number. Let's take another example. We have 2,153, 2,163. What is changing here? Is it the thousands? No. The hundreds? No. The tens? Yes. And what is being changed? It's plus 10 each time. So we can work out this sequence really quick by adding 10 or 1 to the tens. Okay? And after the tens become 9, we add 1 to the hundreds. Right? So look at this example here. We have 2,163, 2,173, 2,183, 2,193. Now it's 9. Look, we have to add 1 to the hundreds. 2,203, 2,213, and so on. So now you can add up tens. So what about adding up something else other than tens? Look at this example here. 43,629. The other number is 44,629. It's really easy to tell that the thousands are changing here, and we are adding 1,000 each time. So the next number is going to be 45,629, 46,629, and so on. So here we are adding 1,000 each time. All right, what about this number? 473, and here is a square. I don't know is it a subtraction or addition? And the answer is 463. What happened here? What has been changed? It's the tens. Look, the tens became less. How many numbers less? 1 10. So it's less than, it's minus. Minus how many tens? Minus 1 10. So it's minus 10. Okay. What about 881? And we have a square here, equals 281. What has been changed? Is it the ones? No. The tens? No. The hundreds? Yes. So we've made the hundreds become less. So it's minus. 8 minus what equals 2? 8 minus 6. And it's not 6, it's minus 600. So we have to write minus 600. All right, what if we have a number like this? We have 4,253 minus 70. So we have to subtract 70 from the tens, right? But we use our subtraction methods that we've learned before. It's the most appropriate way here is to subtract 50 from both sides. Subtract 50 from here and there. That equals 4,203 minus 20. Now subtract 3 from both sides. That equals 4,200 minus 17. Okay, now we are subtracting 17 from 200. Or let's say we can also subtract, we can make the 17 becomes, we can make it become 20 by adding 3. So 4,200 minus 20 equals 4,180. Now because we added 3, we have to add 3 here. So it's 4,183. And this is one strategy of subtraction. It's by rounding the smaller number and then doing the adjustment. If we round it up, we can add the same number we added to the result. And here is the last example. It's going to be a challenge for you. Whoever answers this question first gets a star. So my question here is 8,076. Then the next number is 8,036. And the next number is 8,000. No, not 8,000. It's 7,994. Okay. So, and the next number is 7,954. What is being changed here? Is it minus or plus? And what is the number that we are changing each time? Or subtracting or adding?